Do you know how much value you can get from your retail crime data set? With only 14 attributes, Tableau immediately provides you with a complete solution of 12 KPIs across 6 pages of insights. This accelerator allows you to track and reduce retail crime, proactively address and mitigate criminal activities, protect assets, and ensure the safety of employees and customers. The executive summary is composed of 3 sections. At the top left, how exposed are we to retail crime? And how does this affect our results? From left to right, share of lost sales, total cost of crime, and number of criminal events. At the bottom, which sources of crime have the greatest impact on us? At the top right, how effective are we at preventing retail crime? How much have we invested in fighting crime? What is the estimated reduction in the cost of crime as a result of this investment? Then, what is the estimated net benefit and overall return on investment of crime reduction? Below are the different security models currently in place across your network, how they are deployed across all stores and their impact on crime reduction. A pop-up will provide you with an insight on which products are most affected by retail crime. Finally, at the bottom right, what are the operational priorities you should focus your effort on? Which regions are most affected by retail crime? Which specific stores require immediate attention? Which are the shops where the situation is changing fastest, for better or worse? Let's now take a closer look at how your network is affected. On the left, you can visualize the impact of crime on all your stores. In the top right-hand corner, you'll find all the stores where the current situation requires an immediate plan of action. They are heavily impacted by crime, and the situation is deteriorating rapidly. Below are the stores, also heavily impacted but for which the situation is improving. On the left, are stores that are less affected by crime, although those on the upper level are facing increasing exposure to crime and require special attention. On the right, details for each store. A pop-up allows you to visualize which regions are most affected. Each circle is a store, sized according to the total cost of crime. The color indicates whether the situation is getting better or worse. Let's now deep dive to a specific store. At the top left, how is this store affected by the crime? How has the situation changed over time? What are the forecasts for the future if we do nothing? Below, which products are most affected and what are the main sources of crime faced by this store? How much have we invested over the period? For what results and what return on investment? How has the cost of crime for this shop changed over time and what security models have been deployed? Let's now focus on our different security models. At the top, the different security models used, with details of each model. The impact of each model on crime as a proportion of sales. The average cost of prevention for each store. An estimate of the reduction in the cost of crime. The net benefit. And finally, the return on investment. Next, the specific impact of each model on the different sources of crime. Below, how are these models deployed in your network and what is the overall impact of your crime prevention plan? A map at the bottom right gives you a quick overview of the stores by security model. Finally, you can see how the deployment of the different models has evolved over time. Let's now look at the next investments that will have the greatest impact on proactively addressing and mitigating criminal activities. First of all, at the top right of the page, enter the monthly amount of additional investment you wish to make. Then select your investment strategy. Maximizing return on investment as a percentage, or maximizing profits as an amount. Immediately, the accelerator will calculate for you the best actions to take, that is, the stores whose security model needs to evolve. From left to right, the name of the store, where it is located, its sales segment, and the recommended security model. Secondly, what is the current situation in terms of investment and the cost of crime the store is currently experiencing? On the right, what would be the additional cost of this upgrade? What impact will this have on crime reduction? And finally, what are the expected benefits and return on investment of this upgrade? Use this accelerator as a starting point and customize it to meet your specific needs. To learn more, visit us online.